Hey, dang thing cut out on me again. No, not dang thing, blessed thing. All right, so we got the chicken starting to move there. And as soon as I flip that, I'm going to, I put cumin in it, I put chili powder, lime juice. You guys saw that. I'm going to make this a two-part video. I got to do what I got to do, right? So, I'm cranking that all the way up. Because as soon as I flip that chicken, and I'm turning this on 7, got a little oil there. So as soon as I flip this chicken, now remember we have all that lemon juice in there. I'll put a little bit more salt on it. As soon as I flip the chicken, I'm going to put in the hard veggies that I've got. I cut them up, you know, that size. Like my dog tag, it says doom upside down and backwards. It's a biker thing. My kitchen's a mess right now. I mean, it's not time to do dishes. I do dishes when I got a full load and I'm out of dishes, because it's really a waste of soap. And soap costs cash, and cash is one thing I don't have. So I turned them over, you see that? I'm going to put my hard veggies on top. And because I had some veggies, what do? We're going to spice it just a little bit more. A hair more cumin. A hair of chili powder. See how that looks there? Colors are all staying bright. This is ready. Now I put the oil in the pan, then I spin the tortilla to coat the side of the tortilla. Now remember what I told you about cooking with chicken, and we want this just done, okay? We don't want it cooked hard through. We want to keep a lot of those juices in there, all that flavor.
You see okay?
I'm so lucky I didn't get burned in the ear doing that. Put my ear right on there. Owie! Alright, so. You got a little brown on that. Alright, remember I said, alright, our chicken's done. I don't want to hard cook it. I want to keep it nice and tender. So I'm going to scoot that to a back burner. And then we're going to cook our tortillas. Use this hot burner here. These go pretty quick. I put a little butter in that time. Meanwhile, I'm going to grab the sour cream and the picante. So we're ready to go with that. Whoa, turn that sucker over already. Don't do this at home. Maybe use a fork, a plastic fork or something. because I've got really, really hot hands, people, alright? I can touch things that people shouldn't be able to touch because they're hot. Alright, there's our second one. Now, a combination of butter and oil makes the best tortillas. Now, while that's cooking, I'm gonna pick you guys up and put you. Yeah, can't seem to change.